Hello, welcome to Python code series. In this video, I am going to discuss Python function to check whether a number is positive or negative. So let's first discuss the algorithm. So to check whether a number is positive or negative, it's just very simple. So if a number is greater than or equal to 0, it is positive. Otherwise, it is negative. So simply we have to implement using Python code. So firstly, I have defined a Python function. So for defining Python function, you have to start with this keyword. This is a defined keyword in Python, def. Then it is followed by function name, check underscore pos underscore neg neg, and then I have the element, the argument. So when I have for this, I have only one argument. So x is my argument. Then I have then. This is column. This is very important. And then I have the block of this function. So remember to give this space. So space is actually indentation in Python, or it defines the block of this function. So I will start with the conditional statement. So it will check whether my number is positive, greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. So if it is true, it will print the number is positive. Otherwise, my number will be negative. So else, it will come to the else part. It will print number is negative. So you can try this code in Colab. So how to call the function? Is we have defined the function. Now we have to call it. So I will write this. For calling the function, I have to write the function with the argument. So my argument, suppose I take 4. So if I run this command, what will happen? It will print number is positive. And otherwise, you can try like check if it is -5, then output will be negative. So thanks.